What's up, bro? How is going? Aurelio is back another time with another great video regarding the SKYLAB original concept. And now I will show you the work I've done so far to make the multi-docking adapter. And you can see it on my tools. Here you can still see it on my lathe, and it is now ready for the next phase of the work that I'm going to do now. This is the multi-docking adapter main body. This is the truncate cone in this place. One moment, please. I will take a pen. I'm back. One moment, please. So now proceed with the explanation. This is the main body, the multi-docking adapter main body. This is the truncate cone in its upper part, and this is the main docking port, which in the SKYLAB program it was always used by the astronaut who stayed on board. Okay, I show you in details. Okay, and now I show you this. I'm so sorry. This line that you can see marked here is where I will make the 4 radial docking doors, one from each side. One up, one down, one on left side and the other in the right side. And these lanes and these 2 lanes, however, indicate where I will make the 4 windows that were present here and which allow the resident astronaut to look outside the station. I will make it between this line and this one in the middle. One like the radial docking port, one from all sides, up, down, left and right. Okay. Now I will proceed with the work by making the 4 radial docking doors. And I make the 4 windows present on this part of the model. And after this work, I proceed in this side, more or less. In fact, I will have to do, will be to create the place to insert the hatch for the extravehicular activity, a Gemini type hatch. I think in this place, but now is necessary for me to study very deeply all the drawings that I have regarding the multi-docking adapter that the astronaut used during the SKYLAB missions. The 3 SKYLAB missions. Okay, I show you. In this part, I will make the windows. This line indicates the position of the 4 radial docking ports, one from one side. This is the truncate cone, and this is the principal docking port. Okay, so I'm so sorry if my work table is dirty, but is part of the work. So guys, for this video I have finished my explanation. See you soon next time, and don't forget, AMK is always the best regarding the space model kits. See you soon, bye!